Hi, Brian Condis here, author and photographer of Amazing Photography, The Art of Composition. I'm here with model Harley. How you doing, Harley? That is one interesting green wig you're wearing there. And I'm sure the audience wants to know, where'd you get that wig? Well, backstage, she doesn't tell me right now, but backstage she told me. The Joker. Yes, she got the wig from the Joker. What we're here to shoot a video on is composition. The first rule of composition. Looking at our composition, we see that Harley is very dark in this image and that the sky and those palm trees are quite bright. Harley does not have the strong composition those palm trees do. So let's try something else. So this second composition, the light is pretty flat. There is part of the background, that bush that's dark, that gives some contrast to her. However, there's a very distracting element in the composition, and it's those cactus plants shooting off in different directions with some pretty bright light on them. Let's try something else. Okay, in this third composition, yeah, there's no distracting elements. Yeah, she's a little bit brighter than that object behind her. And this is so far one of the better compositions. However, I think we can do better because there's not a lot of contrast between her and her background. Okay, so on this image, we just put some light onto her face. That makes her much brighter than the background, giving her more contrast between her and the background. So now we're getting someplace. This composition is much improved from any of the others.